Hello, this is Tariq. Welcome to Urdu accent and pronunciation course. So, today I'm going to teach you how to say my first name is Tariq. Okay? So, I will teach you how to pronounce each word step by step. Let's get started. Look at the word my. How to pronounce in Urdu? Mera. 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 How to say in original Urdu? Meem, choti ye, re, alif. There are 4 alphabets. Meem, choti ye, re, alif. It becomes mera. 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 Now, second, first, pehla. First, how to say in Urdu? PEHLA. Pehla. How to say in original Urdu? There are 4 alphabets in this word. First, pe. Second, he. Third, lam. Fourth, alif. Pe, he, lam, alif. Pehla. 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 Repeat after me. Pehla. 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 Name. How to say in Urdu? Naam. N-A-A-M. Naam. There are 3 alphabets in Urdu for this word. First, noon. Noon. First, noon. Second, alif. Noon alif na meen. Naam. How to say this word? Naam. 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 Repeat after me. Naam. Naam. Next is. How to say in Urdu? Is. H-A-I. Hai. H-A-I. Hai. How to say in original Urdu? There are 2 alphabets. First, he. Second, badi ye. Hai. 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 Repeat after me. Hai. 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 It's my name. It's my first name, Tariq. How to say? How to say in Roman Urdu? First, T-A-R-I-Q. Tariq. How to say in original Urdu? There are 4 alphabets in Tariq. First, Toe. Second, alif. Third, re. Fourth, qaf. Tariq. Toe alif ta, re और काफ. Tariq. Tariq. Repeat after me. Tariq. You have to put your name in the place of my name. Okay. Now let's read the whole answer. My first name is Tariq. How to say in Urdu? How to say in Roman Urdu? M-E-R-A. Mera. Pehla. P-E-H-L-A. Pehla. Naam. N-A-A-M. Naam. Tariq. T-A-R-I-Q. Tariq. है H-A-I. है. मेरा पहला नाम तारिक है. How to say in original Urdu? मेरा. Meem, ये रे अलिफ मेरा मीम छोटी ये रे अलिफ मेरा सेकंड पहला पे हे लाम अलिफ पहला नाम नून अलिफ ना मीम नाम तारिक तोई अलिफ रे काफ तारिक है हे बड़ी ये है I hope you have enjoyed this lesson and please let me know what have you learned from this lesson and which word do you like most in this lesson. Please let me know. Assalamu alaikum. Take care your family. Bye. Tata.